Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video we are going to learn how to draw an easy Ma Durga face. So for this I am going to use a canvas, and this is a thick paper. I'm going to make a stencil so that I have my face symmetric, and I'm also going to make a stencil for the eyes, so both of my eyes are of the same size. So let's get started. So the first step to draw the stencil is that, look, if my paper is much smaller than my canvas, now on this I'm going to draw a big U. So think of how big you want the face to be. So you're writing, and see, if you start from the side, it's much easier to get it symmetrical. So I'm gonna go like this. I have this space, so that I'm going to be using for drawing a stencil for the eye. So here you have to be careful. Make sure that you get a nice symmetrical view. And I'm using most of the paper. That way it's easier. Maybe I will reduce it a little. I think this looks good. Next I am going to draw the shape, an almond shape for the eye. I'll just draw one, and I will just use it for both of the eyes so that it is the same size. So I can just invert it. So next step, use a scissor to cut. So this is how it looks right now. So I'm gonna be placing this on my canvas. Make sure that you have some space on the top to draw Durga's crown or mukut, and I do have space on the side for the ears, and there is some space at the bottom as well, and the eyes. So first step, I'm just going to place it symmetrically in the center and hold on. So this is gonna be my face. Now leave a little space over here. So this is where I'm going to be starting the crown, and then think there is gonna be where the eye should go. So you should think and place it appropriately. So move it a little more towards the center. Okay, that's the first eye. So I'm going to measure it. So this is the level, and I want to have this similar amount of space. I'm going to place it accordingly. So before drawing, just place it and make sure that you have put it in the right space. It looks okay. So I'm just gonna draw this side as well. There, I have the eye. Now this is the center of the page. So for the nose, I'm just going to place a little U for now, and then add a smaller nostril shape like that. Then just under it, it's gonna be, this is where your lips are gonna go. I'm going to first draw a line like this. So this helps me to figure out if it's all symmetric and both sides have the same amount of space. Once I have got that figured out, I'm going to draw a lip. So So I'll just draw a V in the center like this, and then curve it a little, and then you can draw the lower lip. Now I'm gonna just erase off the straight line because I don't need it anymore. Next, I'm going to draw her nose ring. I'm going to draw a circle, but I will not draw the whole circle. I will start somewhere here, make it big, then come around it and touch the bottom. I'm gonna do a double line for this. Now let's draw the rest of the eye. So I'm going to draw the upper eyelid. It just follows the same shape as the eye. And then inside I'm also going to draw the eyeballs. I'm going to try my best to make them symmetric. I'm going to leave a little area here. And I'm going to shade it in later. For now, I'm just going to leave it. Next, I'm going to draw a bindi and her third eye. Like so. Next, this is the center, so I'm gonna just go start her like this. Next, for drawing the ears, I'm going to keep it simple. I'll just measure it where the nose is. Just go like this. And this is gonna be like a swirly design. I'm going to do a similar thing on this side as well. Measuring where the nose is. Again, try your best to keep it symmetric. There you go. Next, I'm going to design the crown. Go like this first. Then from around here, I'm going to draw a curved line. Then from the center, like this. feel like this is a little sideways, so I'm just going to fix that. Yeah, that looks better. Adding a design. Okay, next I'm gonna add the neck. The neck is gonna be, don't make it too thin, it's gonna go exactly like below the eyes. Now I'm going to design the neck with some neck pieces. Okay. So now that I have my drawing, I'm going to use my black markers to outline it, and then some colorful markers to make some line design inside her ornaments. I have a black Sharpie to outline and color inside the eyeballs, and then I also have a couple of colorful markers that I'm going to use to do my design on my ornaments. I'm gonna add a few more designs over here to make it look a little more fuller and festive. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing over here as well. Maybe a little more here. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. now it looks full. So I'm using my color markers now to decorate my jewelry on Ma Durga. So I'm going to just use watercolors to color in the face. So this is how it looks finally. I hope you all try this at home and see you next time. Happy Navratri!